Thelma's special gift of discovering the most interesting things about her subjects, things that maybe other writers would have missed. And that's because the time Thelma spends with the subject is not an interview, but an engaged conversation. Now, you must have heard that this book launch is really unique, not only because we have the President as our guest of honor, but also and most especially because the book author has chosen not to speak. Siguro ito lang kauna-unan yung book launch na hindi nagsasalita ang author.
Truly, there is a way of entertaining your readers without sacrificing depth or accuracy. And throughout her career, Thelma has kept that balance. We need more writers like her, and more books like the one we are launching today. Thelma does justice to her subjects. By doing so, Thelma and her breed allow the Filipino people to know who these people truly are. They fulfill our human need to genuinely connect with one another. This is where I believe this book finds its profound value, in conveying real lives to readers. These articles may have been written to meet the deadline, but their worth will outlast all of us.